Okay, so in this question, you're asked to express 3 cos theta plus 4 sine alpha in the form r cos theta minus alpha. So the first thing you need to do is think about what this r cos theta minus alpha will be. So the addition formulae, cos of a minus b. So if we just keep the r in front, that's going to be r. And if we multiply out that, that's going to be cos theta cos alpha plus sine theta sine alpha. And then if I just multiply through by the r, I'm going to get r sine theta sine alpha. All I'm going to do then is I'm going to compare this with what I have. So if I do a quick comparison or compare with this, this says I want to write this in the same format. So if we just compare what we've got, so for the first one, we've got the same cos theta on both. So this r cos alpha must be equal to 3. So r cos alpha equals 3. Or we can write cos alpha equals 3 over r. And if I do the same on the other side, I've got my sine theta already there. So this r sine alpha must be equal to 4. Or sine alpha equals 4 over r. My alpha is an acute angle. So if we just imagine then drawing a little right angle triangle, that's alpha. Cos alpha is 3 over r. That's a over h. That's 3 in r. And sine alpha is opposite over, so that's 4 over r. Then looking at that little triangle, you should be able to do by Pythagoras, r squared equals 3 squared plus 4 squared. R squared is 25, r equals 5. And then you can do tan theta equals O over a, and the inverse tan of that will give you the angle. They've asked for it in degrees, so you need to work out that angle in degrees.